Get ready to test your knowledge of CDL air brake systems with this informative MCQ video. Explore key concepts and components while mastering the basics of vehicle safety. Question 1. What is the primary purpose of air brakes in vehicles? A. To provide power steering. B. To assist in fuel combustion. C. To stop large and heavy vehicles safely. The correct answer is option C. Air brakes use compressed air to stop large and heavy vehicles safely. Question 2. Which of the following is not one of the three main braking systems in an air brake setup? A. Service brake. B. Parking brake. C. Acceleration brake. The correct answer is option C. The three main braking systems in an air brake setup are service brake, parking brake, and emergency brake. Question 3. What does the air compressor do in an air brake system? A. Cools the engine. B. Pumps air into the air storage tanks. C. Generates electricity for the vehicle. The correct answer is option B. The air compressor pumps air into the air storage tanks. Question 4. The governor controls the air compressor's operation based on which factor? A. Engine temperature. B. Air tank pressure. C. Tire pressure. The correct answer is option B. The governor controls the air compressor based on air tank pressure. Question 5. Why is it important to drain the air tanks in an air brake system? A. To improve fuel efficiency. B. To prevent water and oil buildup. C. To increase engine power. The correct answer is option B. Draining the air tanks prevents water and oil buildup, which can lead to brake failure. Question 6. Which component is used to reduce the risk of ice in air brake valves during cold weather? A. Air compressor governor. B. Alcohol evaporator. C. Brake pedal. The correct answer is option B. The alcohol evaporator is used to reduce the risk of ice in air brake valves during cold weather. Question 7. What is the purpose of a safety relief valve in an air brake system? A. To control air compressor speed. B. To prevent excessive air pressure in the tanks. C. To increase braking power. The correct answer is option B. A safety relief valve prevents excessive air pressure in the tanks. Question 8. How is the brake pedal engaged in an air brake system? A. By pushing it down. B. By pulling it up. C. By turning it clockwise. The correct answer is option A. The brake pedal is engaged by pushing it down. Question 9. Which type of brake is most commonly used at each wheel in an air brake system? A. Disc brake. B. Drum brake. C. Wedge brake. The correct answer is option B. Drum brakes are most commonly used at each wheel in an air brake system. Question 10. Which type of brake system is required for all trucks, truck tractors, and buses? A. Hydraulic brakes. B. Spring brakes. C. Emergency brakes. The correct answer is option B. Spring brakes are required for all trucks, truck tractors, and buses. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video is useful for your DMV CDL test, please like, share and subscribe our channel.